In this video, we will be solving the Caterpillar challenge. For this, I will log into CTFD. Enter the username and password, which is Alice, and we can see that over here. And then I will see the Caterpillar box. We have access to the Wonderland Caterpillar repository, and we have read permissions. We want to distill the flag2 secret. So let's see how we can do that from the solutions file. Our first step is to fork the Wonderland Caterpillar repository. I will go to Git for this. We will log into Git with the username and password, which is the Alice. And then sign in. We wanted to fork the Wonderland Caterpillar repository. I couldn't see Wonderland Caterpillar inside the repositories, so what I have done is copy the Wonderland Caterpillar in here and go ahead and paste this to the link so I can access the repository, but the C will be lowercase. And it leads me to this link where I will be able to fork the repository. For this, I will go and click on fork. We will fork the repository and check our next step. Our next step is to modify the Jenkins file in the fork to print the environment variables into the console output. So I will copy this. Let's find our Jenkins file and update it. Edit the file, and what we want to edit is this install requirements stage. So I will go ahead and paste what we had in the solutions file. After editing the install requirements, we will commit our changes. We have adjusted our Jenkins file. Now we will see what our next step is. Creating a pull request based on the fork into the main branch of the original repository. For this, we will look at the Caterpillar again. We will click on New Pull Request. Here we can see our changes that we have made. We will merge into the Wonderland main from the Alice main.
After we created a pull request, we can see the Wonderland Caterpillar test pipeline intended to run tests against the repository code, and we can access the console output of the executed job to get the Git token. For this, we will go to the dashboard, click on the Wonderland Caterpillar test, see the pull requests, last success. We will check the console output. We want to see our Git token, so I will search for token. Here we can see the token. I will copy this, and also in our solutions file, we can clone the repository using the token. I will just copy this since it's already there and paste it to the terminal. So here we have cloned the repository. Our next step will be to modify the Jenkins file to load the flag2 secret as an environment variable. So I will copy it and then go ahead and open the Caterpillar and modify my Jenkins file. We want to change the stage deploy. So here we can see that stage. We'll just paste what was in their file. Save this. Commit my changes. After committing my changes, I will push the modified Jenkins file to the main branch in the repository. I will just do it through VS Code. After pushing the changes, the Wonderland Caterpillar prod pipeline will be triggered automatically, and we have to access the console output to get the encoded secret. So we will go back to Jenkins, Wonderland Caterpillar prod, go to the last success, check the console output, and try to find the credentials. Here we can see it's base 64, encoded. We want to decode this. I will paste the encoded value here. Copy the decoded version. Go back to the CTFD. Log in with the username and password Alice. And paste this as our flag. Here we can see our answer is correct, and we have successfully completed the Caterpillar challenge.